What's up, kid?
What's up everyone? It's Bea here! Yes, I am back with a new video! Nagbalik na ako kasi I know you miss me na. Cause you know, na-miss niyo yung pretty face ko. So now, I am here. I am now so back. At ang video na to ay napaka-ikli lang dahil ang gagawin ko lang ay napaka-simple. This is called What's in My Bag? So to start with my What's in My Bag video, I need, of course, my bag. Where's my bag? Oh, here's my bag! So, napapanood ko doon, din-describe muna nila yung bag nila. So, eto, nakikita nyo, isa po itong bag, and it's color blue. At dahil hindi siya sponsored, hindi ko sasabihin yung tatak niya. Okay, ayan lang po siya. Hindi ko na po kailangan explain, matatalino na po kayo. Dito naman po kayo mga bobo. So, nakikita nyo, it's color blue. So, what do I have to say pa, diba? Ang title po ng video na to is What's in My Bag, not What does my bag look like? Okay, kaka-azar. So, let's start with what's in my bag! Tayo natin yung camera, friend. Yan, So, ang gagawin lang daw dito, ihalongkatin mo lang kung ano yung loob ng bag. Actually guys, hindi ko po talaga alam kung ano yung bag ko kasi you know, I'm so makalat na babae. And I'm like, mga ilang weeks ko na po kasing hindi nalilinis yung bag ko kasi you know, I'm so very busy. So ayun, yun yung mga sinasabi ng mga beauty vloggers na gumagawa nito. So ginaya ko lang, kahit naman, alam ko naman kung ano laman nito kasi you know, this is so scripted kaya. So okay, simulan na natin. What's in my bag? Number 1. Electric fan. Bakit ako may electric fan? Because you know, in the Philippines, so hot, and I'm so hot. So you know, you need an electric fan. This is very essential. You guys should bring electric fans with you. Mini fans with you, okay? Basic. The next one. Oh my God, nakakahiya yung laman ng bag ko. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to get. So the next one is this one, my coin purse. Siyempre, saan mo ba ilalagay yung pera mo? Siyempre, diba? Oh, ang dami-dami kong pera. Yan. Number 2, wallet. Ang susunod naman is this one. My bra. Oh my God, I'm so dirty talaga. I have my bra pa here. So, yan, nakikita nyo. Sobrang luwag na niya. Hi.
Hi, Mama. Look at your bra. It's on YouTube. Yeah.
So, ayan, yung bra ko, nandito pa, kadiri talaga, you know. Because, you know, I'm such a very busy person. Like, you know, pagtanggal mo ng bra mo, pasok mo na lang sa bag mo, like that. Oh, what's next? Oh, this one. You know what is this? It's a beauty blender. It's very cheap. I bought it in Divisoria. It's very soft. Yeah, it's color pink. And other one is for the libag, for the dirt. This is the new beauty blender. Yeah, this is from the Philippines. It is made from the Philippines, a local beauty blender. It is a dual purpose. You can use it for makeup, and this one is for removing makeup and removing dirt in your face and your dead skin cells. Diba? Like that, oh, like that, then like that, ganon, ganon. See? That's why I have this on my bag. Because, you know, I bought it from the Divisoria. Okay, what's next? Oh, this one. Do you know what this is?
This one?
This is for the face. You see, it's rolling. Ayaw niya na. Wait. Ayan, nagro-roll siya. Hindi po to vibrator, guys. Isa po itong for the face, like that, para mag-firm. Mali yung iniisip nyo, dudumi ng isip nyo, kadiri kayo. Joke lang, pambat ito ng itlog. Diba? Ayan o. Ewan ko, ba't siya nasa bag ko? So next one, let's move on. What's in my bag? What's in my bag? I got this one. Yes, this was my choker. Yan, ganyan yan. Ewan ko. Binili ko to nito sa Divisoria. It's like 120 per, I don't know, not yard. It's like that. It's choker, see? I'm so fierce.
See?
Choker. Murang-mura. It's in my bag, so wala na kayong paki doon. Nanonood lang kayo. What's next? Sa mga zipper. Siyempre, nakita din natin katulad ng ginagawa nila. May zipper po yan. Yan. Kaso wala pong laman. This one! Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako may ganito. Alam ko na. Binili ko to kasi kailangan sa bahay. Yeah, nandito lang siya, ganon. Ang brainy ko dun sa ganon na, ting! Ano? Alam ko na! Ganon! Corny mo, next one. Eto. Yeah. Alam niyo ba kung ano to? Hindi po ito beauty blender. Ito po ay itlog na bagong kamot. Yes, itlog na pula. Bakit po ako may itlog na pula sa bag ko? Kung hindi niyo po nalalaman, wait lang, yung dede ko nasa baba na. Ayan. Kung hindi niyo po nalalaman, ang itlog na pula ay multi-purpose. Lalo na sa ating mga girls, na we want to be more like pretty always. You cannot afford to buy a lipstick. This one is an alternative. I will teach you. This is this is gonna be a quick makeup tutorial using bagong kamot na itlog na pula. So, how to use itlog na pula as a lipstick. First, get this red egg. Lick it. Twice. Thrice. Then dab it on your lips. Meron ba? Wala. Then, repeat. 1, 2, 3. Then do it again. Oh, di ba? Medyo pink na yung lips ko. Di ba? Hindi lang siyang pwedeng sa lips. Tatlo? Sa cheeks. Di ba? Medyo rosy na siya. Kaya, kayo girls, magdala kayo ng itlog na pula sa mga bag nyo. Get? I'm so smart talaga. You know, ang hirap talaga pag you're so pretty na and then you're so smart pa. Next one. Ang panturo ko nandito pa, friend. Kung magkahulihin ako dito, friend. Huwag niyong pansinin yun, ha? Wala na ata. The next one is, ay wala na masyadong laman, isa na lang. So, kunin na natin yung laman. Ayan. Ito po yung huling laman ng bag ko. Wait lang, ha. Wala na. Ito na po yung huli. 6 kilos of rice. Kasi syempre, pag nagutom tayo, you know, saka marami naghihirap ngayon, namimigay ako ng rice. Yun lang, wala na po yung bag ko. I guess that's it for this video. I know it's very short, but ang pinapahiwati ko lang dito is I am back at Odapkyo. You better subscribe to this channel to see more of me, the pretty me. So if you like this video or you don't like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to this channel for more videos and updates. Okay? Yun lang po yung video na to. Napakawalang kwenta. Sana po ay medyo naaliw naman kayo kahit papano. But, you know guys, I am back. Bayako is back. So, thank you everyone. See you on the future videos. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.